too much? Welcome back to the Slimeatory, and what is up, guys? Yeah. Okay, guys, so today I am gonna be doing a sequel type deal to a series that you guys like a lot. It is the too much series. How much is too much series? Basically, I get some slime and then I see what's too much. So like example, I get some clear slime and I see how much is too much fishbowl for fishbowl slime. You get it? I have a bunch of videos of that and it's like all different ones. So you guys should definitely check it out. They're very interesting. But today we're gonna be doing a giant too much. How much is too much dye? And also, if you are new here, my name is Ameerah. It rhymes with Shakira, and you should definitely subscribe. Yeah. Okay. And tonight's fun challenge gonna be try and press the like button with your lips. So and yeah. Let's see if you guys can do it. And let's get straight out into the video. Yo. So first, we're gonna go ahead and get some glue. I'm using clear glue because I am going to reuse my dyes. I got gallons of dyes. I got it from bakery store. Charlie found it on sale, and I was like, we gotta snatch those right there, okay? Anyway, so first I'm gonna get a gallon of color splash clear glue. I'm gonna pour that in there. And we're ready. Look at all that clear glue. Yes. I wish you could just snap it and just be instant slime. Guys, look. I made instant clear slime. Nah, I'm just kidding, guys. It's just Elmer's. We got this one back. The glue. Okay, guys. So first, before we put the dye, I'm gonna go ahead and activate it. So slime, activate. This was not a good idea. Okay, guys, I'm almost done making my clear slime. Okay, I decided to activate it first, guys, just to see how much the dye. I know already that it melts the slime, but I want to see how much will it take to melt the slime, and that will usually be too much. So let's see. I'm almost done though. Grab this good stuff, put it on the table, smack it on the table, smack it, and I did overactivate it a little bit. I didn't take as much time because it's gonna melt anyways, guys. So I don't really think, you know what I'm saying? Okay, guys, I am all done with the slime. Yes. Now we're gonna add the dye. I'm gonna do this pink one. Oh my god, look at how freaking guys, do you see how strong this dye is? It is extremely saturated. It makes me sad to use this, but I'm gonna use it anyways on more slime. So yeah. Yeah. Okay, look at how this looks like paint, guys. Yeah, you guys see that those little dots right there? I don't know if you guys can see them, those little dots. That's because it's so saturated, and then after it becomes even more pink, it is just crazy. Anyway, so let me just go ahead. I just want to see, guys, if I shake it, if it's the same. Yeah, it's the same. Okay, all right. Let's go. Yeah, that's right. Is that satisfying for you guys? Oh yeah, so satisfying, right? I'm just kidding, guys. I know that's horrible. By the way, guys, the color is deep pink. Oh god, it's starting to melt, guys. This looks like guts. What the heck? This does not look great. Oh no! No! Okay, it seems like 1 cup didn't really do much. It might be because I overactivated it. Maybe the red is different than the purple because the last time I did it, it was with purple and it was crazy. Okay, guys, the slime is all melted, but it actually looks really cool. I don't know. I like it. But I feel like it's not too much just yet, okay? We're gonna add some more borax and see if we can reactivate this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the borax in here so that I can get all of that food coloring loosened up a bit. Okay, so I think it's activating again. I'm gonna put some more borax. That was a lot. Hopefully it activates. Okay, so I don't know what's going on, guys, but it's got such a weird texture. It's jiggly. Let me show you guys. Let me see. It's got such a weird texture. It's jiggly but soft. It's actually pretty nice. I like it. It really looks like ketchup. Does it even click anymore? Yeah, it does. Okay. Okay, guys, here it is. It is super soft. It is so weird. Ooh, look at that, guys. Let's try again. Let's try another bubble. Oh, that was crazy, guys! Oh my god, we gotta do that again. This slime is like really soft and like really wiggly because of all the food dye. So it's got some really nice bubbles. Let's try again. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Let's do another bubble, guys. No, okay. One more bubble, guys, and we can keep on going with the big batch. Oh, no. One more, guys. One more bubble. Oh, look at how cool that is. Oh my god. Oh. It just completely died. This looks like melted gummy bears. I know I say everything looks like melted gummy bears, but this one really looks like it. I don't know if you guys have seen this video because it's a very old video, like back in the 1900s. I'm just kidding, not 1900s. But anyways, I did a video on an edible slime and I made it out of gummy bears. It was sick. You guys should definitely check it out. Let's get a little clip of that. But it was still really cool, and that one was probably my most favorite one because it looks really cool. Yeah, it looks so much like this one, doesn't it? I don't know. I just think it does. Like, I want to eat this. Okay, guys, here I got it all activated again. I'm gonna go ahead and add another cup of the food coloring. Oh god, this makes me so sick. I'm gonna reuse this dye because I'm not about to just like throw this away or anything. So it's okay, but it still hurts me to use this. But anyways, let's go ahead. This looks so weird. So basically today, guys, we're making a big bucket of ketchup slime. Okay, guys, I think this is too much. It is just completely melting, and I don't think I'll be able to activate it again. Like, it is just completely melting. Look at this. It looks really cool, though. Oh, God, guys, I think it's just dye now. Guys, this looks so cool. I don't know, guys. It seems like it keeps on melting and melting. Like, it's slime for a little bit, and then it just melts again. I don't think we could do any ASMR with this. How about a little bubble? Ugh. Let's not do that again. I think I'm gonna try and activate it again. Maybe it'll activate, maybe it won't, but who knows? You guys think it's gonna activate? Guys, make sure you press that like button, subscribe, and comment if you think it's gonna activate again. Okay. Okay, you guys ready? Is it really activating again? Because that would be crazy if it is. I don't know, it's activating, guys, but it kind of seems like it's like just starting to harden up. Like it's not even activating, I don't know. It's trying to activate maybe? I don't know. I'm gonna take a little bit out just to see what happens. Okay, so it is like halfway activated, but I feel like this is all it's gonna activate, but maybe it will activate always. Okay, I'm gonna put some more borax in this little pile just to see. And this is DIY flamingo hands. I don't know, guys. It seems like I could put more, and I don't want to put more because I don't want to like keep putting it, but I think I'm gonna have to. Okay, I feel like this is perfect slime to make a bubble, so I'm gonna make a bubble. It looks, oh, it looked really cool. Look at how, oh. Ta-da! Oh. Hey guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add another cup of the food coloring. Just mix that in. Oh god, it's melting again. Okay guys, so this is like the third cup of food coloring. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, whoa, guys, that is just completely melting right there. Whoa, this is just completely melted, guys. Oh my god, it is just completely melted. Look at that, guys. It is like, I don't even like, usually I'm like mixing it and I can feel that it has a little bit of potential. It can like activate a little bit, but this one does not seem like it has potential at all. Look at that. That is just like, it's just gone. No more of that. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and try and activate it now. Oh no, that is just not activating anymore, guys. There's a little bit of slime on the bottom still. I'm gonna add some more activator. Guys, it is just not activating anymore. Look at that. Oh my god, look at that, guys. It just completely deactivated. It is gone. This slime is gone. Do you want to try to do a bubble with it? Okay. Look at those bubbles. Look at that. Look at that bubble. Look at that bubble. Look at those bubbles. How many bubbles, guys? Let's do some crackalackles. Yeah, you hear that? Wonderful crackalackles. Let's try and do a swirl. Oh yeah, look at that swirl. That was beautiful. I'm literally just playing with food coloring right now, guys. Okay, well guys, you guys comment down below if you want to do more of these. Make sure you guys comment down below if you want me to do a part 2. Maybe with the purple food coloring. The purple food coloring, because maybe that one is stronger, but who knows. Alright guys, well that is it. I love you so much. Make sure you press that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!